So guys, first of all, let's open the box in this way. I bought it from the, what do you say, Flipkart. So this is the Flipkart packaging, and it's really really tight packing. So this is the product MIA1, and let's unbox, or what do you say, unseal it really fast. So let me fast forward this thing. Wait a second. So yes, so there you have it, and some of the basic specifications are mentioned in the back side of the box. So as you can see, there is dual camera and pure Android, what do you say, stock Android 1 program. So this phone comes with the Android 1 program. Basically this phone is made by Xiaomi but controlled by Google. So this is somewhat concept, and let's open the box, and let's keep it aside. Wait a second. And yes guys, always see the seals. That seal will not be broken. So let's open, and there you have it. I bought this black one. So this is how it looks, black color, all black. And let's keep the product aside and see what's the box content. So this is really tight thing. Wait, yes. So empty, and this is somewhat a box. And first of all, you get this SIM ejector tool. So this is a SIM ejector tool, and let's open the box. And first of all, you get this charger, power brick. And guys, unfortunately this device has USB type C, but uh, does not support, what do you say, fast charging. So this is what somewhat very unusual thing. So this there you get some paperworks, and let's keep these things aside. And yes, as you can see, this cable is type C. So as you can see, this is a type C cable, and but does not support, what do you say, fast charging. So this is somewhat a combination. And then let's keep these things aside and come to our main unit, which is the phone. Wait a second. So guys, first of all, let me give you some physical overview. And back side you have two dual cameras. At top of the phone you get a IR blaster and a secondary noise cancellation microphone. And as you can see, this phone has a IR blaster, and at the bottom, type C port, a what is a speaker, a mic, and a headphone jack. At right side of the phone you get volume rockers and power button, and these are very tactile. And there you have a hybrid SIM slot where you can use two SIM cards, or a SIM card, or a memory. So let's boot this thing up. Let's see. Yes, it's have a battery. So while this thing boots up, and yes, you can see this is Android 1. So while this thing boots up, I'll show you some of the specifications of this phone. So guys, this phone is powered up with Snapdragon 625, which is an octa-core chip, and has an 14 nanometer technology, and has a dual rear cameras, 12 plus 12 megapixel. Second camera is a telephoto lens, which was used in OnePlus 5 and what do you say, iPhone. And yes, at the bottom you have a, what do you say, USB type C. And this phone is having a single colored LED light which will blink only in a white color. And at rear you have this dual camera setup, 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel, and second is telephoto lens, which is used to 2x zoom without losing the quality. At top, as you can see, this is an IR blaster and a secondary noise cancellation microphone. And at bottom, type C port, a speaker, a mic, and headphone jack. So guys, this product comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 GB of storage. And at first boot, The update is the 7.1.2, sorry, the Android version is 7.1.2, and an update is already came. So when you update this thing, it will update to 7.2.2 Nougat. So this is the thing. And yes, now let's see the storage and the RAM management. So wait, let me show you first the storage of the phone. As you can see, 9.65 GB is used and 64 GB is free, so approximately 54 or 53 GB is available for you. And the RAM you'll get on first boot is about 2.2 GB. Basically 1.3 GB is used and 2.2 GB is free out of 4 GB. So let me go back, and now let's open the camera and test the dual camera feature. So the focus is like tap to focus, and yes, it's having auto focus. So tap to focus and click pictures. The shutter speed is really fast, and as you can see, the clarity and details it shows is really impressive. Not the best, but yes, it's good. And this is the 2x zoom, which this phone uses the telephoto lens to basically zoom and tries to capture as many as highlights. So as you can see, the highlights are basically captured by its camera, and this is the, what do you say, portrait mode. And yes, when you tap to focus and click photos, and shutter speed is good, and it will take about 1 or 1.5 seconds to process the photo, and then you click the photo and the result are like these. Basically it blurs the background, and the edge detection is pretty nice in this phone. So in this way it can capture basically DSLR like picture, or you can get that bokeh effect in the background of the object. Now these are some of the options in the photo mode, and let's jump into the settings. And in settings you'll see picture quality high, camera frame 4:3. You can change it to full screen, and other things are basically normal. And yes, this is a new, feature, enhance low light photos automatically. So this is a good feature, but it creates some noise in the pictures. Now if we talk about videography, it shows two options, time lapse and slow motion. Yes, you can make slow motion videos and time lapse videos. And at first boot, it default is set to HD. Please change it to 4K to experience the real quality. And focus mode is have continuous autofocus, and basically a normal interface and normal settings. So guys, this is the package, and I hope you like the video. So hit the like button. Bye bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe.
Waiting for you.